What are phishing emails and how to recognize them? Someone just sent you an email from your bank. It says your account has been compromised. There's a link to fix it. You click, and just like that, they have everything. That's how phishing works. Fake emails designed to look real. They copy the logos. They match the fonts. They write subject lines that make your stomach drop. Unusual login detected. Payment failed. Verify your identity now. But if you slow down for 5 seconds, the red flags are right there. A misspelled sender address, a greeting that says "Dear Customer" instead of your name, a link that doesn't match the company's actual website. So, what do you actually do? First, don't click anything. Hover over links to see where they really go. If an email asks for your password or social security number, that's your answer right there. No legitimate company asks for that over email. Turn on multi-factor authentication. Even if someone steals your password, they still can't get in without that second step. Here's something most people don't think about. If you're a business sending emails, phishing doesn't just target you. It targets your reputation. Phishers spoof real domains. If yours gets flagged, your actual emails start landing in spam. Invoices, customer updates, support replies, gone. That's where email verification comes in. Validating the addresses you're sending to and the ones sending to you helps you catch fakes, avoid spam traps, and keep your domain off blacklists. Searchbug's email verification API lets you check addresses before they become a problem. Flag invalid emails, spot spam traps, protect your sender reputation. You can test it free. No commitment, no credit card. Go to searchbug.com and see what your email list is really made of.